This tutorial is part of the DrDev video tutorial series, installing the DrDev Office 2007 SDK Enterprise 1.0 for Java. In this tutorial, we will install the DrDev Office 2007 Enterprise SDK for Java. We will set up Eclipse to use the SDK. We'll write a Java application to produce a simple Office 2007 Word document. And finally, we will execute the code to produce the document. Before the installation, we must first download the SDK from the DrDev website. So we'll go to www.drdev.com. Once the site comes up, we now go ahead and just click on Products, select the Java version of the SDK, and then we click on Downloads. That will take us to the download page. Now click on Download. That brings up the login dialog. Before downloading, you must log in by supplying your email ID and password. Enter the CAPTCHA text you see in the picture and click on Login. If you have not logged in before, click on the Sign Up Now and follow the instructions. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions to create a new password. Once logged in, this download dialog is displayed. To start the process, we click on the Click Here link. This brings up the Save File dialog. We click on Save, choose a folder to store it in, click on Save again, and the download process begins. To install the SDK, we simply go to the location where we downloaded the install file, double-click on it, and that will bring up the installer. Now we simply click the Next button, follow the instructions on the screen, and accept the default location for the files. Click on the Install button and the installation will begin. When the installation has completed, the Finish button will be displayed. We simply click on it and the SDK has been successfully installed. To verify the installation, we go over to the Uninstall or Change Program list in our computer, and we can look down the list of programs installed and we can see the DrDev Office 2007 SDK for Java has been successfully installed. I've now brought up Eclipse, where I've written a small Java program to verify the installation. The reason for the errors in the application is that we need to add the DrDev SDK as one of our build libraries. To include the SDK, we go up to the Project menu item, click on Properties, and that brings up the Java Build Path dialog. We click on Add External Jars, and now we locate the DrDev 2007 Office SDK. And once we find it there, we select it, and now we can see the DrDev Office SDK is part of our build path. And now the errors have gone away. The code is fairly straightforward. We create the document, set its name and path, and then create the body of the document. Next, we add a new paragraph, add a running fragment to the paragraph, set its properties, add our text, and finally save the document. Now I'm going to execute the application and create the document. And it executed successfully. Now we'll go to the folder where the document was created. As you can see, it did create a document. We'll double click on the file name, which will bring up Word, and we'll see what happens here. And yes, we've successfully created a Word document using the DrDev Office 2007 SDK for Java. In this tutorial, you have seen how to install and verify the DrDev Office 2007 SDK for Java.